Good afternoon, everybody. We're here at Derand Motorsport. We just finished this nice BMW, the X5. We just put a remote starter in here, and we'll show you how this one works. So you start this car from the factory remote by pushing the lock button 3 times. So we try it now. 1, 2, 3, and the lights will come on. It takes about 10 seconds, and the car will start. And we'll show you how it works with the cellular phone also. We put a cell phone starter in there on top of the remote, the factory remote, and we also put a backup 3,000 foot range remote control to go with the starter. So here we go, we got it to start, and we'll show you how to stop it with the factory remote. You just take the factory remote and we push 3 times the lock on it. 1, 2, 3, and the car takes about a couple of seconds and it will shut off all by itself. There it is, nice and off. So you got a choice. You can use remote starters with the factory remotes of your car, or you can add a remote. And like this one here, we just added a 1 button to it, and we push and hold for a couple of seconds. This one here takes about 10 seconds to activate. The light goes on, blue, and this car will start. It takes about 10 seconds to inject for the injectors, and then it'll come on. Here we go, and the BMW is going to start. Now this car will run for about 15 minutes and shut off all by itself. Now, if you want to stop it because you don't want it to run the full time, you just push the start button again on the remote, and the car stops. There you go. Now, if that's not enough, you go to bed at night and you want to wonder, hey, did I lock my car? Well, instead of running down to the coat and get your keys, you can just pull out your cell phone, which everybody goes to bed with their cell phone, most people, and you got this little cell phone app here. You can turn around, you can push the button on it, it starts, it goes blue, and then it'll go green and it'll start. It gives you a couple of seconds to do that. I'm just waiting for it. There it is, gave the flash, it goes green, tells you it received the signal, and the car's going to start. And after it starts, the little engine there in the middle will give you the temperature of the car and gives you the runtime and what's left on the car. So let's wait a couple of seconds here, and you'll see it pop up right where the motor is in the middle. There it is, there you go, you got your temperature. It's looks like 20 or 30 some degrees in the car, and we're going to run for 1446, and away we go. We're going to run it down. So let's say you want to stop it, you can actually stop it also. You just turn on your phone, go to the app, and you push the little button there, it goes blue, and then it shuts off. Then it'll give you a green button there, and it'll tell you it's off and receiving a signal. You don't have to worry about it because you didn't see the car. So now it tells you it's off and the motor's shut down also. Now this one here, you can unlock the car, you can open up the hatch, you can close the hatch on this particular car because it's all electric. So you just have to go push the button here, and you go, goes blue, it tells you it's locked, and then it'll go green to confirm it's locked. There it is, it's locked. Let's say you want to unlock it. You go blue, it received a signal, goes green, now it's unlocked. If you want to open the hatch, you can push that little button, it'll ask you yes or no. In this case, we're not going to do that. But here we go, it's running. And here we got a car with remote start, BMW. You can start it with your factory remote, you can start it with an aftermarket remote, and you can start it with a cell phone app. Thank you, we're here at Derand. If you want your car done like this, give us a call.